What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a very special one. If you guys recall our last video, we did look at the Lightning 4s. We got exclusive access on those, but that's not the only thing that we've gotten that involves exclusive access. Today's shoe may even be a little more special to some, depending on who you ask. As you can tell by the title, today we're looking at the Off-White Dunks. So, should be a pretty good video. I got lot number 16, which I'm totally fine with. I think the only lot that I would have preferred, other than maybe 16, would have been 1 or 50, because those are the two that are the most different. But just to be able to have a pair of these is awesome in and of itself. So I'm going to try a different video format today. So instead of holding everything up here trying to go over it, I'm going to be using my GoPro, and we're going to try to record it on that, just to get a better view on my desk area. And yeah, it should work out. So let's go ahead and switch to that, and let's check these shoes out. Alright guys, so here we have the actual box. As you can see here, we have tag here on it. Sorry for any reflections, guys. I'm still trying to work out the best way to record this stuff for you guys. I'm trying to improve. Here you have the Nike Dunk Low actual tag. Price tag says $150, although these were $180. And I've noticed that on a lot of other people's as well. You have the box here. Very, very neat box. Looks like you have a drawn swoosh here. You have the Off-White logos. Looks like it's taped here on the box. You have whatever lot number you have is going to show here. So I have lot number 16. So it shows 16 right there. But obviously if you have a different lot, then you'll have another lot checked off there. Then over on this side, you do have your holes here all over the box. The box is super neat. I like it a lot. Very, very nice presentation. Bam, there's your box. Alright, so let's open it up. On the inside here, we do have this paper. Off-White yellow paper. Yeah, just very, very good quality. Super good quality. Let me take this paper right here. Very good, as you can tell. Quality of the paper is nice. Nice tissue paper. Nice wax paper, I would assume this is. 2021 Off-White. And then you have Y1 1985. I'm assuming the 1985 is something that is of importance. Then as you open it, you have the shoes inside of here. If I can turn that for you guys to see. Bam. There it is, number 16 out of 50. I'm going to move this box to the side, take the shoes out so I can go over it with you guys. Have the right shoe here. I'm going to see if I can straighten this color up for us here, guys. It is a little washed out. I just don't know what to do about that. I'm not too sure what to do about being washed out. Maybe this will help. Okay. So there's the right shoe, and here is the left shoe. Yeah. Yeah, it's not as washed out, is it? It's pretty good. It's okay. Alright, so here, as you can see, you have the 16 out of 50 here. You have your little tooling code here. I'm guessing that's fall of 21. Have your swoosh here. Now, this is suede and leather, whereas some are like a canvas and leather. I'm really, really happy I have a suede one. I would not want the canvas and leather. Here on the inside, you do have your typical Off-White text. Off-White for Nike, and then it's, what is it? I think Beaverton, Oregon, United States, 1985. I do have your Nike on the back here. I love how it's in this, metallic font here, or metallic print rather. Made in Vietnam. Okay. Let's see. You do have your typical dual lace system here that you have on the other Dunks that have come out. Off-White shoelaces that read shoelaces. This pair actually has the blue tongue, which I like a lot. I think that's one of the things I really like about it. Blue can go with a lot of stuff. So I'm very, very happy that I did get, you know, a pair that has a blue tongue, something that I can, you know, wear with other stuff, and it'll be easy to pick out an outfit for it. So I have a blue tongue here with your Nike tongue tag here. Hopefully that's in focus for you guys. Like I said, this is a new way of recording a video for me. I'm just trying to, you know, figure something out for the channel. Hopefully it's looking pretty good. Let's go to the inside here on the insole. You do have your hand, you know, your off-white blue insole matches the tongue. It's very, very nice. And the secondary lace system on this is actually teal, which I like a lot. In hockey, I'm a big San Jose Shark fan, so that's very nice to be able to have like some teal on there. And then on the back you have this almost like a cyan colored tab. The suede on here is very, very long. I like that a lot about it. Super long. Yeah, you have your Nike in black on the heel here. Very clean shoe. That's the right shoe. Here is the left shoe. Again, 16 of 50 on there. If I can get that to focus up for you. Should be in focus. It's a work in progress, guys. But I just wanted to show you guys these shoes, and I want to try something new for you. Do have your tag here, which, you know, most people are going to take that off. Let me see if I can get it to where it'll show. There, possibly. It says Off-White, has the Off-White logo, lot 16 of 50. Now this lot, from what I've seen on like StockX and GOAT, this lot's actually holding value pretty good, whereas other lots are dropping. I don't know what the reasoning is behind that. It could be, you know, the color of the tongue, the colors scheme that it has going on. I know a lot of people like change these out. However, I'm going to keep mine the way they come. You know what I mean? Again, on the inside here, you have your Off-White text, Beaverton, Oregon, your insole, your tongue. Yeah. Very, very, very clean shoe, guys. I couldn't wait to show you guys this. I didn't say anything on the channel about having it in or anything because I wanted it to all be a surprise. You do have your tag on the inside here. 9.5. I typically wear a 10. But I can wear these. It's not going to be the most comfortable thing in the world, but I don't even know if I want to wear them. Like, part of me wants to just, you know, keep them in the collection. You know, leave them dead stock. I don't know. I don't know what I should do, guys. You guys need to let me know in the comments if I should wear these, if I should leave them dead stock. What should I do? Very clean shoe, man. I don't know. I've never had a pair of Off-White shoes. So it's very, very cool to be able to have a pair, and especially be able to show you guys here on the channel. You know, going over these Off-White Dunks, because this is I think this actual collection's called the 50, if I'm not mistaken. And I've heard, my neighbor was telling me that this is the last collaboration that Off-White and Nike are going to do together. After this, Off-White is done with Nike. I don't know how true that is. You know, he knows a good bit about sneakers. So, there could be some truth to that. And if that is true, then this will eventually skyrocket in value, guys. Which is really, really good news for everyone who got a pair. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to take today to record a video for you guys, show you these shoes. I know a lot of you have already seen them. They've been on YouTube. A lot of people got theirs in early. A lot of people haven't gotten theirs in because of FedEx, like, stealing packages and stuff. Allegedly. You know, stealing packages. But yeah, you never know. I could definitely see why they would do that, especially if there are a few sneakerheads at the, delivery driving, and they know what's coming out. They keep up with everything, so yeah. Definitely let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Let me know what your favorite lot is. Let me know if you were able to get any, you know, what lot you got, if you're waiting on yours to come in, if you're having issues, if you're going to wear them, if you're going to buy some, you know, resale. Let me know, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the shoes, what you think about, you know, showing the shoes off this way with the GoPro. And I can improve upon it, you know, better lighting and stuff like that, obviously, just to make it better for us. But yeah, for right now, guys, I think this is pretty good. Yeah, it's going to do it for today's video, guys. Please do subscribe. Leave a thumbs up for me. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot whenever you guys do that. And I will see you guys in the next video.